What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, guys, I'm going to be playing weightlifting simulator 4. Okay, so guys, let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, we are loading into weightlifting simulator, and guys, I will be changing my YouTube channel name to JoshuaBoy6, JoshuaBoy6 Plays, and I'm going to be making another channel with vlogs and stuff and reactions. Okay, guys. No. Guys, actually, let's join the bra. You guys, you don't have to do. This is. Oh, shoot. Hold up. Okay, guys, this is the max. Where'd you go? Boy, you thought. Bro. Yeah, see? I am the champion, man. So, guys, I'm gonna go up here. And then I'm gonna go. Guys, I have one rebirth so I can go in here. This code might not work, but I know one. It's all caps in 9. Okay. We're in to the game. Let's go. So I like choosing this one all the way back here because it's the strongest of them all. I will. Okay, guys. Let's see. Guys, let's try to get to 6,000 straight today. I've gone to 10,000 already. Oh wait, guys, I forgot to equip a pet. I have this one and this one. I don't have this one. I don't have this. Let's go to stats. Guys, there's this weird glitch. I don't know what's happening. Guys, what is happening? What is happening to me? Guys, what is going on? Bro, I've never seen this happen before. Let's try to... Okay, now the jumping stopped. But I can at least move well. Guys. Oh, we're at 6,000 already. Let's go, guys. And so, I know a way of getting gems a lot. So, there's this method that I used. So, this is the method. This is my tip for you guys today. So, guys, so there's this method I use. it's like it's basically my grinding style. And so this is what I do. So once you have to reach 2,000 strength for this. So then you could go to Big Boy Beach. And then you can so you have to go there as quickly as possible. And then this is what I did. So I trained. So I did what I'm doing right now. I did these things that I'm doing gains. And so then I accepted the bras, and then I could fight. And then I could know people's abilities and stuff. So then, when the brawl was over, I would go and then do the speed, and then go back to the brawl, and then you see how the pattern is? And so I used that, and that's how I got to being 10,000 really quickly. I did it in a day, so... And I really like how the person did this map. It's really creative. And so, and then after I did that for a while, once I got to like buff, I accepted the bra when I did strength, then accepted the bra, strength, accepted the bra, then speed, accepted the bra, speed, then accepted the bra. See, that's the pattern I did, because then you would probably get the equal amount of speed and strength. Because it's almost in the same amount of time. And I don't like accepting brawls that much. I used to be the champion, and then I am the root champion, to be honest. I'm really fast. And you start off really slow. Which your goal is to be fast, because if you're fast, then you can just hit them. They can't hit you. Hit them. And then they miss, and then yeah, that's what I like. And guys, I will be doing a part 2. Okay, so if this actually no, I'm not gonna be doing a part 2. Well, if the limit of this runs out of time. So yeah, I only know one code because I forgot the others. And so guys, if this video gets 10 likes, I would be doing a part 2 of this. And if you guys get me to 20 subscribers, I will be doing double uploading. So that means uploading 2 times, making 2 videos a day. So if you guys want more videos and stuff, I will be doing that. Okay, so yeah. So guys, what do you think about this game? I think it's better than Weightlifting Simulator 3, 2, and 1 because it's more creative. Number 1 is more creative. Number 2 just looks better. Number 3, there's more worlds, and you can have more people in there, I think. Comment below how many people. So in Race Simulator 4, you can get what you call Okay, you guys hear me. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Okay. So guys, I forgot what I was gonna say. Go subscribe to my boy Jaden. I forgot what his YouTube channel name. I'll put him in my subscriptions. And I will be doing vlogs if you get me to. As soon as I go to 100 subscribers, I will be doing vlogs. Oh, yeah, this is a new hack you can do. You can get speed and strength. Guys, I love this hack. I just figured it out. Earlier I was trying to do this, but I couldn't. So, yeah. I am guys, we might be able to hit 7,000, guys. Bro, it's coming up. Bro, it's coming up. John Cena. John Cena. Guys, I'm doing it. Okay, guys, we are doing this. We hit 7,000. We are the champions. Bro, guys, if you want to see more of this stuff I find out, then subscribe and turn on post notifications. And guys, hopefully, guys, this will be fun. I mean, look at this. I was earning speed while working out, guys. This is insane. Bro, you should do this glitch. You would get a lot of stuff. I am very talented. I'm just looking in the mirror. Guys, bro, this is the best glitch ever. You can earn double the gems as well. Guys, that is an amazing glitch. Guys, I hope you like this video today, and we will see you guys. I will see you guys next time.